dynasties want to make Kenyans believe that hustlers should remain poor. Because dynasties believe that they are masters, and us, we are servants, and we are just supposed to serve them without even appreciation. That's why they are shocked that in 2022 we may have a hustler government. That is why they are running helter-skelter to try and make sure that they diminish the ambition of any hustler, including the chief hustler, William Samoei Arap Ruto. Dynasties are those people who are born in the middle of plenty, in the midst of plenty. They are those people who have inherited wealth in terms of billions in the bank or even in assets like land. They are people wenye wanajua kutavuna, hawajui kutafuta. They are people who know how to spend, but they don't know how to save. They are those people who, when you tell them that I did not eat today, they will call a doctor thinking that you have typhoid and malaria. That is why you do not have appetite to eat. They don't know that kuna vile mama na mama watatafuta chakula wakose kabisa, na ukose kukula kwa sababu ya kukosa, sio kwa sababu hauna appetite ya kukula, ni kwa sababu hauna